Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete battery usage history on iPhone. If you've been wondering how to clear out old battery data and start fresh, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the one with the gray gear icon. Now scroll down and tap General, where you find all the core settings of your device. Next, tap iPhone Storage. This section shows all your apps and how much space they are using. Find and select the app you want to remove battery usage history for. This helps target specific apps. Tap Offload App to remove the app while keeping its documents and data safe. Tap Offload App again when the confirmation pops up to proceed. After that, tap Reinstall App to bring the app back without the old battery usage history. Go back to your home screen. Tap and hold the app until a menu appears. Then tap Delete App to completely remove it. If you are deleting WhatsApp, make sure you back up your chats first so you don't lose any important messages. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system and clear out any leftover background data. Finally, open the App Store, search for the app you just deleted, and reinstall it fresh from there. Now, if you prefer a faster way to reset everything, you can reset all settings. Start by opening the Settings app again, just like before. Scroll down and tap General to access the advanced options. Scroll further down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, where you manage major resets. Tap Reset, and you will see different reset options appear. Select Reset All Settings. This will clear out settings without deleting your apps or data. Enter your passcode when prompted and confirm the reset to finish the process. If you notice that the battery usage history is still not cleared, you can go ahead and choose Erase All Content and Settings. But remember, this will delete everything on your iPhone. So back up your important files first. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and useful iPhone tips.